Hi, I'm Chef Belinda and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy jalapeno mini cornbread muffins. These are great with chili and soups, but you can also just pop them in your mouth and eat them as a snack. Let's get started. All right, so to start the batter for our mini cornbread muffins, in my mixing bowl here I have 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of cornmeal. To that I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. So we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together, and then we're going to set that aside for a moment, and then we're going to mix our wet ingredients. I have a cup and a half of buttermilk. To that I'm going to add 1 whole large egg, a quarter of a cup of vegetable oil, and a tablespoon of honey. And we're going to mix the wet ingredients. And then we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry. I'm going to reserve just a little bit to add later. We don't want this to get too watery. Okay. You can always add the rest if you need it, and we will. So that incorporated, and then we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of jalapenos chopped and 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. So that's the consistency we want, just a little bit thicker than, say, a pancake batter. And then I use a scoop because it's a little bit easier to fill the cups up. So we want to fill them just about to the top. The scoop also gives you consistency in size. This batter will make enough for anywhere between 24 to 30 of the little mini muffins. And if you're using a regular 12 muffin pan, you will get 12 to 16 out of it. I'm going to stick these in a 400-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Our muffins are ready to come out of the oven. They look beautiful. So these are our cheesy jalapeno mini cornbread muffins.